Good morning, this is Old Man with the Plan. Well, today we're going to have to do some burning, clean up some of the logs or trees that I've cut down and getting ready to log. It's just too cold today and too snowy to actually do any milling. The weather has not been kind to me. It seems like every time I get a good day to mill, we're followed by a lot of snow and extreme cold. The cold today is supposed to get down to, well, it's already 17 degrees out. It's supposed to rise a little bit during the day, like to 19, but fall in the teens tonight. So I certainly won't be milling tomorrow either. Tomorrow I got to go home for the day, so a couple days. Grandkids stuff, which is fine. I love the grandkids stuff. But I have a lot to clean up, and I need to start to clean up so I can take more trees down. So we're gonna light a couple fires. I have two places. This is what I got to clean up today. See, it's quite a mess. I got stuff scattered. Be doing a lot of hauling. Now that pile may not look so big on camera, but I'm almost 6 feet tall, and it's as tall as I am. Well, not quite. I guess it's maybe about 5 feet high. But it is snowing. It's very pretty when it's snowing. I don't mind the snow so much. I just wish we had 2 weeks of decent weather in between large snowfalls, so I get some more work done than what I actually get done. I'm gonna tape some today, just starting to fire and burning. So I guess I'll get started with that. I'm not going to start this fire like a Boy Scout. I'm going to cheat. I'm going to use some oil. Unfortunately, it rained all day yesterday.
As always, a good Swift kit sometimes fixes things.
The only good thing is this hemlock burns pretty easy. I'm going to get a good spot to start the fire, and we'll go from there. I think that's a good spot right there. It rained a ton yesterday, so everything has a nice little layer of ice on it. I'm hoping this snow don't last forever. There's a chance of snow all day. They didn't really say we was going to get a lot of laying snow, but this lake effect snow that comes down from Lake Erie, sometimes you just don't know what it's going to do.
Well, hello. The weather's been terrible around this area lately. It's the video you were watching is from middle to late December. After that, we got a lot of snow up there in that area where my camp is. And then I came home for a little bit. I had some things going on that I will explain later. But then the snowstorm hit here, and we locked in snow. It's about 14 to 17 inches outside, depending a little bit on location. It also snowed that much at camp, so I'm probably right now locked out of my camp. So I'm going to be doing videos here at home. But the reason for this video is to review some of the things that happened last year. This is the first time I've done this video, so bear with me. But I did have some good and bad things happen. Now, last year I started out with using my Alaska Sawmill and my Easy Rail system. Now they worked well, but they weren't working for me anymore because I needed more lumber than what I was getting out of it to continue on my journey into fixing up my addition so I can move up to camp and make it more of a homestead. Now, getting back to this video right here, as you see, it's not burning very well. It's probably the wet. It rained so much, and the ice, it all adds up. It compacted it, and it's just frozen on there. It's just not burning very well. Thank goodness I have lots of oil. Now, last February 2 of last year, which was February 25, I also did some burning of some brush, and it was mostly some stumps, I also went through in February some seasonal camp issues that I have with the snow and the cold. Well, February wasn't only about making videos. It's also the month my father passed away. He was 88 years old. He was a farmer all his life, so I grew up on a dairy farm. He also loved to do things like he had chickens when he retired. He also liked to make maple syrup. Now, I also made maple syrup during the month of March, so I also put a little dedication on that video to him. So, Dad, I love you and miss you. Now, Marches of last year, 2025, the weather was up and down also. I did some work in the garage. I did bring my, not my Kubota, but my John Deere Gator down to do some work on it. I mean, sometimes it's important to get these down here in the shop where I have my tools and stuff to get work on. I did get some other work done on the outside up at camp also. I was removing some stumps during the month of March. These videos you see pop up on screen, those are not links or anything. If you want to see any particular video, those are the thumbnails for the videos. I just kind of copied them and put them on. So just go to my playlist and you'll be able to find them on there. I'm going to take a break. My gloves are soaked. It's time to go in the house for a while and warm up. But we'll be back. Thing about hemlock is it burns itself out quick. I was kind of hoping it would move itself over. It did not. But you can see it burned a big circle in it. We just had too much rain here lately. I think the rain has caused more problems than not. So I'll push the ashes over and start a fire a little closer over to there. And then hopefully I can get the rest of that to start burning. So I guess I'll get started here. Now in April is when I purchased my Wood Miser LX50 Super Saw. So it came in, I think sometime late April too. But that's really when I started it. I started clearing land because I needed an area. I do have videos on those too, on my clearing. And then May, May is kind of garden work time. I had to do some rototilling, some getting the garden ready. Those are all requirements. Sometimes the seasonal requirements outweigh or are more important than my other requirements that I would have liked to work on the sawmill more during that month, but I couldn't. Now, June, I was testing for a type of cancer. I've had some medical issues. So I've been doing a lot of testing, a lot of back and forth to doctors. That's the personal stuff. I did do some more clearing from land. I did some John Deere repairs because I was home. And I also started and I built the sawmill base. It's always important to have a good solid base. So make sure you check out that video if you're putting one in. Now, July is when I found out what type of cancer I have. I actually ended up with stage 3 prostate cancer. I have done some treatments so far, and I'll explain them as I go through the months. Now, also during the month of July is when I unboxed and I assembled that Wood Miser saw. So that's another important thing. It wasn't as easy as I thought it would be. The directions were a little bit off, but just watch the video and you'll see. And then I also, during that month, was able to finally make my first cut on my Wood Miser. I did make some errors. The errors are learning experiences for me and hopefully for you too if you're watching. Due to the repetitiveness of this type of video, I thought instead of showing you just adding music that I would do something a little different. So let me know if you like it and let me know if you don't like it. I am quickly running out of time on this video, so I'm going to be turning the natural end of the video over to you. But let me know what you think, and I will continue with the other videos here from August through December, maybe on my next video. Well, I'm done for the third time stacking stuff on top of it. That's going to be about all I stack. I'll come up here in about an hour or so and take the burnt stuff, and throw it all in the middle and try to burn down as much as I can. I know I didn't get it all done, but I am satisfied. You can't get it all with the snow this deep. I'll have to get some more here later, but I wanted to get the majority of it burned up, so if I want to drop some more trees in this area, I can. I don't know, the smoke's getting me a little bit. But I'll give you I'll show you what it looks like now,
it looks a lot different. I mean, I got a lot of it picked up, but there's going to be a lot more work to do. This didn't light up as easy as I thought it did. Not burning quite as well, but that could be because it rained all day yesterday. Then it got real cold real fast, so it probably froze. And then the snow on top of it, it just, you know, it burned good, but it was hard to get going. But now that it's going okay. Here, I'll hang on and I'll show you so far the what it looks like. I hope you remember what it looked like before, but I'll put some side-by-side pictures. You see that all the big stuff's gone. I have a lot of little stuff left over, and there's the fire. It's burning pretty well. It hasn't burned all the way to this side yet, which I wish it would, but we'll do what we can. And so as you see, the area looks a lot better. Now, while this is burning some, I have my daily duties to do while I'm up here at camp. Remember, I don't have water, so I have to go down and pump it from the well into a 5-gallon container, carrying the camp. And I also have to carry some firewood because it is supposed to get really cold tonight, and I want to make sure I have enough firewood. I will probably be packing up, probably some tonight, cleaning up and getting ready to leave tomorrow morning. But tomorrow morning I'll come back and see how this pile's burnt down, and maybe restack it a little bit more and hang out just a little longer. Make sure I restock the wood pile and everything for the next day. So I guess it's time to carry some wood. I'll probably come up here about one more time. It's about 3:45. Come up here one more time. It's burned up pretty good. I still have that side to go. Some here. You can still see the red bee underneath it. So it's still good and hot. Should start back up. So that's what I'm gonna do. All right, I piled the outsides back on the top. It's smoking like crazy. It will start, I'm sure. I gotta just watch that smoke. It got me before. Almost gagged me, it was so thick. But I'll come back. In about an hour or so, see how it's burned up. Hey, going back up again. It's around 5 o'clock. It's a little bit after, 10 after. This will be the last time I go up tonight. And here once again, it snowed enough where it covered my tracks. The darn snow here, it keeps going. I don't see any smoke coming up above. I don't see too much anything. I just heard something screaming a little bit. Let me turn this around. You'll see some red, and I see some stuff around it. So I'm gonna throw it all I have in there around it, and that might be it for the day. Well, alrighty, that's gonna be it for the day. Let me pick up my shovel and rake here. I said, this darn thing, it smokes like crazy once it gets started. It seems like every time it goes out, the stuff on the outside gets another layer of snow on it. But it will light. We'll see what it burns up to, and I'll come up tomorrow morning and at least show you what's completed. It'll be done burning. It's not burning very long. It still might be a little bit hot, but not very hot. All right, it's next morning. The weather's still in the teens. Got to go home today, so it's going to be time to clean up the cabin, take care of things, load up the truck, and get going home. But I am going to check and see how that fire burned down. Make sure it's not going to go anywhere with this much snow and everything. Like I said before, it's wasn't a good time to burn, but I am kind of trying to get going on this build in my addition, and I really need to take advantage of any time that's given to me. I couldn't really work the sawmill because of the snow and the cold, so I decided to do some burning. Turned out okay. I mean, I'm looking at it here now. It's not too bad. I'll give you a view. You see, I got most of the sticks. I got the bigger sticks. The smaller sticks will have to wait till the snow melts. But at least now I have room to drop more trees. There are a few here more in this area I want to drop. I guess last night it could have burned better through, but it did okay. That's going to be good enough. Still smoking. Let me see here. Oh, it's still hot. Maybe I'll throw what's left here back on it. But before I do that, I want to thank you for viewing. I want to say, like I said before, this is all in order to harvest some wood so I can build it and use it in my addition. And it's a lot more work this way, but it is more satisfying. And plus I have a mill now, I might as well use it. But all this stuff, this is stuff you're gonna do if you have a mill and you have to get ready. I can't just leave the trees in the woods. I'm cutting down this area here, and this is kind of a yard area, maybe a garden area at some point. So I want to clean it up as I go along. So thanks for viewing, and if you like these videos, please like and subscribe and ring that bell so you're notified whenever I put out new videos. Now lately the snow and the weather has kind of limited what I do, but hopefully the weather will change. I don't mind the cold as long as it's in the 20s. It's the teens. I kind of try to stay out of the weather unless I'm doing something like making fire or something like that, where I can warm back up, and the work actually keeps me warm too. But then I start sweating, I got to go inside. So about every hour to an hour and a half, I have to take a break. But once again, this is the old man with the plan, and I'll see you later.